Tips to make your My Child or Healthy Kids application process easier and faster. Start off at Google and type in insurekidsnow.gov. The results will come up on your screen, and click on the top result. This is the federal government site for Medicaid and state-sponsored assistance programs. There's lots of great information here. The page is very user-friendly, but you want to go to the right-hand side and click Find Providers in your state. You'll see a map of the United States come up, and simply click on Michigan. Then, on the top side of this page, go to Michigan Child Health Insurance and click on that link. You'll now be at the Michigan Department of Community Health's website. There's an Apply Online button here. Go ahead and click that. There's another Apply Online button that you'll have to hit again. And now you're at the page where they're letting you know what you're applying for. They tell you that you should be able to apply in 30 minutes or less. This can turn into a nightmare. It can be 45, 50 minutes if you're not prepared. There's some information on the bottom of the page giving you different phone numbers to call, as well as information in other languages. Then click Start Application on the bottom, and then click Start New Application. There's going to be 2 numbers here that you're going to need to have in case you need to come back. We don't want you to. We want you to get it done in one application. What you're seeing on screen now, though, is not the online application. It's actually the paper application. And this is a good way to prep for the actual online app. The whole idea here is that there's a lot of information that you're going to have handy before you get started. You're going to need dates of birth, social security numbers, and as you'll see later, income statements. There's also a lot of personal questions that you'll see here that you'll need to answer. Number of people in the home, citizen of the United States that you'll see, some things we mentioned already, like social security number. If the child's parents are married, both parents living in the home, so forth and so on. So there's a myriad of questions here, and it's good just to look at them first before you go online. So the online process is an easy 10 minutes. There's also income information that you'll need, your monthly gross pay and your monthly take-home pay if you're employed. If you're self-employed, it will be a little different. It's going to be your gross monthly income minus allowable federal tax deductions. If you're self-employed, you know what that means. So those are the numbers you'll need before you apply online. There's also going to be other income numbers, whether it be unemployment, retirement benefits, workers' comp, so forth and so on. And the whole idea here is that you see this first before you go online and get it all in order so your online process application is easy. You can also mail a paper application in. We suggest that you do not do this. It can take weeks for something to come back, whereas the online app, you'll get approval right on the spot. So once you're done your app and it's submitted, you'll get approval right there. Healthy Kids and My Child are different. Healthy Kids is for low income or no income, and there's no premium that you'll need to pay for the plan. My Child, you can be a working family, and still get this coverage. And this is $10 monthly for an entire family, whether it be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 children. There's also another page at the MDH site which we like. It kind of goes through the differences between My Child and Healthy Kids, what they have in common, coverage. There's one part that's really good, though, that we found that we think is very worthwhile. There's a Who Qualifies for Healthy Kids portion as well. And this will give you the income numbers to see if you can apply and get My Child. $1,800 for a family of 2, $2,800 for a family of 4, and so on. So you'll know right away, based on your income, if you can actually get My Child. If you can't get My Child, you can't get Healthy Kids. And then go ahead and apply when you're ready. You can get the paper application at our website, marketplace-health.com. Go to the My Child section. It'll just be in a PDF. You can just open it and read it, and you won't even have to download it. And thanks for watching our tutorial.